What's up, everybody? We are back at it. I actually planted a whole another day and a half since the last video or so, and then the night before last night we got like 3/10 of an inch of rain, which isn't a whole lot, but it made it so I couldn't plant yesterday, and now it's about noon right now, and I think it's about dry enough that I could probably get it in now. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Let's take a look here. Almost nothing. Pretty much nothing. A lot more in that one. Apparently when I filled with the seed tender, I didn't fill them very evenly. We'd probably about have enough if I just move some seed around. Maybe not. I don't know, man. Dang it. Take a little scooper on it here. Using my nice Yeti for this, damn it. Might want to remember to wash it. Okay, we got them at least somewhat evened up here. They all got about the same amount. We'll run this out, and then if we need to, we'll go grab another bag or two just to get through my grandpa's acres, and then onto my stuff. Let's rock. Okay, we are planting corn. We are doing it. First pass of the day is always a little bit scary because it seems like a fucking fairy comes around and decides to break shit overnight or over the last day or whatever, so it's always a good feeling to get the first pass out of the way. Looks pretty good back there, I think, so far. I have no complaints as of right now. We're rolling. Quick update for you. I way overestimated how long that seed would last, and we made it about 2 rounds, so I don't know. I really don't want to drive the tractor all the way back there. It's just right. I'll just walk, God. But go get a couple bags of seed and call her good, I guess. Brack. Walking. Probably good for me. Getting kind of out of shape. If you can't tell, got a little gobble going on. Don't love that. Ew, gross. Horse caca. Yuck. Quick change of plans. That was stupid. Since I'm gonna be planting this number that's on the seed tender first anyways, I'm just gonna bring the planter over here, completely fill it up, finish my grandpa's stuff, and then move to mine. Idiot. Just walked like a quarter mile for no reason. Hopefully the old 48 wants to start. Shit, yeah, she wants to start. She's probably pissed she's not in the field anymore. Poor girl got retired. It's okay. It's okay. Try not to whack the auger off here. I would fold it, but it's not very much fun to do by yourself, especially when the auger weighs about as much as me apparently, because I can pretty much hang on it and it barely comes down. And then when it does come down, it comes down. Look at her. Would you just look at her? Hey, let's see if she'll start. Oh yeah. And away we go. All done. So much less effort. Okay, we are back in the field. I'm just gonna set the GoPro up for a little time-lapse action. get some sweet, sick, nice shots. Because you're probably tired of hearing me talk the last couple videos, so roll the clips.
Ain't a darker night than the ones I've seen, when you're too damn tired to even dream. But you come alive when the doghouse screams. Oh, the old field's dark as the money is green. There ain't a headache like the ones that come between a 2-week hitch and a 7-day run. Blood, sweat, spit, and a filthy tongue. Ooh, the whole field hurts like a snake bite stung. So I'll send a card for Christmas and birthdays missed, and I'll sign the papers for the woman that I couldn't kiss, and I'll take the blame if I don't make the good Lord's list. But when I die, I hope they know it was all for them, 'cause I'd do it all over again. There ain't nothing in the world like earning these stripes, than getting put out of work when the price ain't right. Yeah, I left my soul, my pain and my strife.
That was a bit of a close call. Okay, thankfully I think the rest of my fertilizer that'll get me done around home here just was delivered. He's actually out on the highway right now, if you can see him. And then we should be in the cab for quite some time, so... Oh, my hair's fucked. I'm so out of breath. That was a lot of camera angles. You're welcome, fuckers. Just like that. Load her up. Look at my mother over there, just mowing her heart out. And hitting the vape. Oh, what a wackadoodle. That was sick. Shut her off, shut her down. Jeez, you think you're the farmer in the group now?
Yeah.
Yard farmer.
Yard farmer.
I saw you over there just hitting your vape, squealing along on your fucking mower.
You should have let me try her up first.
Yeah, Jesus, take care of your equipment.
Oh, yeah, says you.
Hey, you be quiet. I think this last row, the 8th row here, as you can tell, the seed's going in the same spot. I just think the trash ripper isn't set down quite far enough. So we're gonna adjust that quick and then we will roll on. I don't have all that fancy hydraulic shit. I just have to do it by hand. Little bastards complaining about farming, don't even get out of the damn cab. That should work a little better, I think. Alrighty. Grandpa's Acres are officially planted. We are rocking and rolling. Gonna head over. I still have plenty of fertilizer and seed, so I'm gonna head over to my one piece that I have down here right across from the shop there. Hopefully get that all hammered in tonight, and then we'll just have to move up north, and then we are done. But that's a long ways off yet, so let's get over to the next one. Okay, I think I got my AB set somewhat okay. It's kind of hard on this field just because there's no real definite line to follow to set the line. So I know you guys are pretty much all farmers, or at least know what an AB is, but that's just the line that your GPS follows, your auto steer, whatever. So that's what I'm trying to set right now because I've never ran GPS on this field. So hopefully it's close enough, because like I said, I don't have a fence or anything here to follow, and I kind of fucked up the line with the disc there. So hopefully it comes out straight. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna pop out here, see what everything looks like. Since this has obviously been disked and field cultivated, it's quite a bit different conditions than just planting back on the row there, which looks like it's going in way too deep here. The trash whippers are going in too deep. I'm gonna have to probably raise those all up at least a notch or so. Well, these ones don't look too bad on this side for some reason. Well, kind of crazy. This morning it was sticky and just a little bit too wet, and now we got all sorts of dust flying. Crazy what a little bit of sun and wind can do in just a short few hours. It's only like 4 o'clock, and I think before lunch I left at like 11 and it was still pretty sticky, so she dried out pretty quick. It's pretty soft out here as far as just the soil itself, but it's working. We're rolling. Ruh-roh, Raggy. Looks like we might be out of seed here, folks. Let's go take a look. Said 6 was failing, so I'm imagining that all the rest are probably low too. Yep, they are. I just need to get enough in here to at least finish this pass. I don't know if I'm gonna reload or not. We'll see. Rocking and rolling. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna refill or not yet tonight, so we'll have to see how I'm feeling at the end of this pass. The sun is in a very bad position right now also. I can't see shit. If I do decide to reload, I'm probably not going to record. You guys kind of get the point of today. So I'm kind of sick of carrying around the camera also, to be honest. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all of the bullshit. And we will catch you in the next one. Peace.